Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 16 of English grammar, that is exclamatory sentence. Dear students, in the previous classes we have already read the definition of sentences, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence and imperative sentence. And today we will discuss the most important topic, that is exclamatory sentences. Dear students, you all have read it in the previous class, in class 4, class 3, class 2, that what is an exclamatory sentence. Dear students, an exclamatory sentences are those which is used to express the sudden feeling of joy, sudden feeling of sorrow, sudden feeling of surprise. Okay, so it shows the sudden feeling. Dear students, just open your notebook and start writing what is an exclamatory sentence. Dear students, it is given at the page number, also page number 63. You can also see your book. Just put the heading exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, students, just see. What is an exclamatory sentence? Just write down, students, sentences that strongly express joy, sorrow, surprise, anger, admiration, pity, and other feelings. Other feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Okay, students, just see. Dear students, just see. Sentences that strongly express joy, sorrow, surprise, anger, admiration, pity, and other feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Okay, students, it shows what? Feeling of joy, feeling of sorrow, feeling of surprise, feeling of anger, feeling of admiration, feeling of pity, and there are so many strong feelings that we show through the exclamatory sentences. Okay, students, and there are so many words that we use to show our feelings. For example, alas, we use for whom? For what? For showing the feeling of sadness. Joy, hooray, it shows the feeling of joy. Okay, ouch, it shows the feeling of pain. Okay, students, so there are so many words that we use to show the particular feelings. Okay, students, so you keep in your mind that exclamatory sentences are those which express sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, surprise, anger, admiration, pity, and other feelings. Okay, that is known as exclamatory sentences. Okay, students, and you can also write the example. Just see the example. First example we can see, wow. What it shows? We use the word wow to show the surprise. Wow, the picture is so beautiful. The picture is so beautiful. Just see, students. Wow, the word wow is used to show the expression of what? Surprise. Okay, just see, wow, the picture is so beautiful. So it shows what? It shows the feeling of surprise. One more example you can see, alas. I have already told you that we use the word alas to show the feeling of sadness. So we can say, alas, we lost the match. We lost the match. In this way, there are so many examples we can use. Hooray! We use the word hooray to show the feeling of victory, to show the feeling of happiness. Hooray! We won the match. Okay, students? So this is the example. The word wow is used to show the surprise. Wow, the picture is so beautiful. Okay, alas, we lost the match. Okay, students, so this is all about the exclamation sentence. I hope that you all have understood what is an exclamatory sentences. Okay, students, you write it in your notebook. And dear students, there is one more sentence, that is optative sentence. It is not given in your book, but I will tell you only what is an optative sentence. It is used to show the wish. Okay, for example, birthday. May God bless you. This is what? It is a kind of wish. And it also, optative sentence also shows the curse. Go to hell. This is what? It is a kind of feeling. It is a kind of curse. Go to hell. So optative sentences are those which we use to show the feeling of bliss, feeling of curse, feeling of any kind of wish. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, happy new year. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These are what? These are a kind of wish. Therefore, that is optative sentence. But we have to read in class 5 only 4 kinds of sentences that you all have read already. Assertive sentences in the previous chapter, interrogative, imperative, and in the chapter number 16 you have read about exclamatory sentences. Okay, students, there are so many examples, there are so many exercises given. There are so many exercises given in your book that you have to complete in the book only. There are enough space given in your book and you have to complete it. Okay, in the book only. Just see. Okay, students, just see. The question next. Just there are exercises given at the page number what? At the page number 64. You can also see. Give a suitable subject and verb. Dear student, this is your question. Give a suitable subject and verb to the following exclamatory sentences. To make complete, happy, sad, angry or surprise sentence. Dear students, we have to make the sentences based on happiness, sadness, anger and surprise. Dear students, there are so many words also given. Some exclamation words are given also. Okay, you can see hooray, alas, eureka, wow, ups, yippee. Okay, damn you. Hey, what adjective. Okay, brave, august, how plus adjective. Okay, students, so you have to use these exclamation word to form the sentences. Yes, students, there are 12 options are given and 12 lines are given to write the sentences. Okay, just see, there are 12 lines that is blank, and in the given lines, in the given blank, we have to make sentences using these options, using these helping box. Okay, students, so just see. We will discuss some examples and you will also try to do. Just see, first word is given here, hooray. Just see, you can see. I have already told you we use the word hooray for what? To show the happiness. You can see, hooray. You can make the sentences in the number 1, in the column of number 1, you will write hooray. You will make the sentence, hooray. After exclamation sentence, exclamation mark, then after you will read, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. Okay, so just see, hooray, we won the match. Okay, so this is the complete sentence. So you will write this sentence in the given blank. In the given blank. Okay, students, there is enough space. You can see there is enough space in these lines. You have to write. Okay, so just see question number second. What is question number second? There is one word. You can see the second box is given here. That is the first box, and the second box is given alas. I have told you already what? You have to make sentence using this. Just see. Alas, she is dead. You can write in the second line, in the second column, alas, you will use exclamation sign, she is dead. Okay, so in this way you have completed the second sentence. Okay, alas, I have already told you that we use the word alas to show the feeling of sorrow, to show the feeling of sadness. Okay, students, so keep in your mind the word alas is used to show the feeling of sadness. Come to the next question. The next word is given eureka. That is new word, students. Okay, that is new words. यूरेका मीन्स कोई चीज मिल जाना. ठीक है, कोई चीज आप ढूंढ रहे हैं, अचानक मिल जाता है तो बोलते हैं रेका, रेका. दैट इज द फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. अचानक से हैप्पीनेस, कोई चीज खोज रहे हैं, खो गई है, उसे अगर मिल जाता है तुरंत, देन वी विल यूज द वर्ड रेका. जस्ट सी, यू कैन मेक द सेंटेंस. या कोई चीज अचानक से दिखाई दे दे, सो यू कैन से यूरेका, exclamation sign, then after that I can see the land. I can see the land. कहीं दूर से आप हैं, अचानक आपको कुछ दिख गया, ओशन के पास है, then you can use this sentence. Eureka, I can see the land. Okay, I can see the stars, that particular stars. Come to the next question. Okay, students, you write it in your book, and one more question I am going to deal with you. The next word is given, that is third, and what is the fourth? Wow. That is so simple, students. Wow. You have generally used wow. How beautiful the rain is. Just write down. You can make the sentence. Fourth, how beautiful the rose is. Okay, just see, students, wow, we will use this word in a sentence. You see, wow, how beautiful the rain is. It shows what? It shows the feeling of surprise. We use the word wow to show the feeling of surprise. Okay. So students, you will try to complete this sentence in the given space, and the rest of the questions. Question from question number 5 to 12. That is your homework. You will try to complete it. But if you are getting any kind of difficulties, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, you will try to complete these questions. These are your homeworks. Okay, from question number 5 to 12, you will try to write. Okay, and you will write these sentences, whatever I have written, question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. You will write these sentences in your book in the given space. Okay, students. So now come to the exercise number 2nd. Okay, students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have completed. Come to the next exercise. Exercise number 2nd. Just see. Exercise number 2nd. Just see what is the question. In the exercise number that is also given at the same page number, change the following sentences into exclamatory sentences. Dear students, assertive sentences are given, and you have to change these assertive sentences into exclamatory sentences. Just see, students, first question is given, in the exercise number second, we can discuss. He was found dead. The first sentence is given. He was found dead. Okay, so this is your sentence. That is assertive sentence, and you have to change it into exclamatory sentence. What it shows? The word, the sentence shows the feeling of sorrow because someone has died. So we will write the word alas to make exclamation. Alas, he was dead. You can use the word alas. Alas, he was dead. Okay, or you can also make he was found dead. Okay, both are the correct. That is also correct. Come to the next sentence. The flood scene is so saddening. Just see, this is your second sentence. The flood scene. The flood scene is so saddening. Saddening. Okay, so this is your sentence. And it shows what? It shows the feeling of what? Sadness, because it is written here, the flood. So we also use the word oh. 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 This is what? This is the feeling of sadness. So you can write here, oh, the flood. Same thing you write. The flood scene is SCE. The flood scene is so sad. So sad or so saddening, both are the correct. Okay, students? So just write down these two sentences. Oh, the flood scene is so saddening. Okay, students? In this way, there is one more sentence you can see. Okay, I am going to write with this pen. He is learned. He is a learned person. Let's see. He is a learned person. Just see. This is your sentence. So we can write it. He is a learned person. You can make how learned he is. You can also say how learned the person is. Person he is. This is what? This is a kind of surprise. Okay? See, he is a learned person. We will change it into exclamation. Then we will write how learned person he is. Okay, students? So just write down. Just write down this sentence in your book. And dear students, there are 5 sentences. 5 questions are given. You will try to complete the question number 4 and question number 5 in your book. Okay, students, if you are getting any kind of difficulties, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay. So today we have read the meaning of exclamatory sentences with example, and we have also completed the exercise first and second, and I have also given homework in the exercise number first and exercise number second. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.